How's it going, guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today we're going to use this Sika fence post mix to fix up our mailbox, which is quite wobbly. We never cemented it in, but this bag will replace two 50-pound bags of concrete. A little skeptical, but let's check it out, see how it works. Alright guys, so our fence post has a hole in it and basically a pin which it goes into. So what we're going to do is pour a little bit in there, put this on, and then we're going to shove it in there, and then we're going to secure around it, and hopefully that does the trick, because this is not the top of the line mailbox or a granite post or anything fancy like that. But let's do it. We're going to pop this bag right now. Make sure you cut it within 15 seconds because it'll explode and you'll be gone. If this content helped you guys at all, make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps the channel out as we grow. We provide 2 new videos a week as we expand our homestead, and we love to have you. Get down here. This is hot. Some hot stuff. Hopefully this works. You're supposed to wear gloves and glasses when you do this, but we should be all set.
Thanks for letting me know.
All right, make sure you get this thing nice and level. It says it's supposed to be set in 3 minutes, so. All right guys, as you saw, I went down here and I really only had it in the ground about a foot. I just hit it with some stain real fast, but it was in the ground about a foot on that post. We tried to get some around that post, and then kind of when it came up, you know, obviously it says do it 3 feet in the ground. This post is not that long, so couldn't do that. Tried to work with what we had, and maybe this will show you that you might need to go 3 feet in the ground, but we did that. A little bit of overflow here and a little bit of wiggle. You know, I'm sure I'll get some haters in the comment section down there, be like, you idiot, it said 3 feet in the ground. But you know, I wanted to see how it'd work with what we have. You know, it's not worse than what we had before, so I'm gonna throw some dirt around here, and maybe another day when I replace this post, we'll put it 3 feet in the ground, give this another shot. All right guys, just about 24 hours later, it has set quite a bit more, and it is not as wiggly as it was initially. You know, it's not too bad for only being about a foot deep and a wider hole with a post. So that's better than I initially anticipated. So I'm pretty happy with it for just a temporary fix until we get a new mailbox.